Watch me ride.
So it looks like nothing, but it's freaking a lot more uphill than it looks. Although there's nothing on Nemesis Hill. Oh, what have we found? It's, well, this is not, I'm really not made for this sort of thing. Come on. Ah. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. This is why they, ow, it's right on my coccyx. Should we review it though? I've got keyboard, handle, switch, horn, another horn, cool bear on the front, and a load of space under there. Look at the foot pegs, the way they come down. Yeah, that was my issue. Forgot about the foot pegs. You know, I tried. Give me that, I tried. My legs are just so frigging long, I couldn't do it, okay. Maybe that's what I should have on my gravestone. If I've ever taken out doing something stupid, it just says, "Here lies my name is Jeff," and it'll just say underneath, "Fuck it, I was having fun." Jesus Christ. Come on, muddy tyres, grip! Yeah, grip more than that, please. I was like, well, I got confused. I'm sorry. It's so nice. I'm airing my balls. There's no hot air. It's comfortable and gorgeous and lovely. Derek, you look after my balls. You tend for them when Divi's been just too mean. What's the time? Nearly 5. That would explain it. I actually corrected this clock for the first time in about 4 months because it was wrong, and it's not the easiest clock to reset. I have to remember how to do it, and I just never bothered getting around to doing it. And now this is boring. Why am I talking about changing those? Wait, Lord, what? Long eagle wings? I didn't. Oh no, I can't read it. I think it was saying something like Jesus has long wings and can fly like an eagle. I didn't know this. Cool guy. It's quite impressive. You should get on YouTube. You could get a lot of views doing that. Look!
No, I couldn't, because I'm blind. I'm not blind 23 hours a day or 22 hours a day. I'm blind the whole goddamn time.